Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita Delighted. Hope you people are doing good, and yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Today in this video I'm gonna review about erasable notebook. It's from Craftout Doodle Pad, and you can see here it's a Craftout Doodle Pad. And this is a smart notebook. You can be reusable. It's eco-friendly, guys. Let me tell you some of the points regarding this notebook, and let me start first. It's a A5 sheets paper. You'll get 10 sheets of 20 pages. It's same as whiteboard has. You'll write in the whiteboard. It's similar to that. Guys, with this book, you'll also get this marker pen. It's same as when you write in the whiteboard. It's similar to that. And here you'll get two tips. One is bold one. You can see here. It's written as bold, and this is the tip. And this one, it's a fine, and you'll get fine tip. And here I go with the pages. You can see pages, and the quality is so good. The paper size is very thick. Guys, let me tell with this key features. First one, it is very eco-friendly. You can't tear this paper. It's reusable, and it is very weightless or portable, I can say. And you can, with this, you can do to-do list, whatever the list or whatever daily activities you want to do in your life. You can make a note by using this book. And what I really liked about this is very portable and lightweight. You can use this book while traveling purpose, when you want to go to you want to visit any places and you want to write something about that. It's very convenient. And friends, it's very ideal for business and corporates, any kind of business activities. You can make a note with this book, and for artists and designers, they can make some kind of drawings over this. And even I think this is the best thing for students or for educational purpose. Guys, you can use this for students as a gift, such that they can use for their educational purpose, for writing different activities or day-to-day activities. I think this is the best gift for them. Price, guys, you'll get this for $249 in Amazon. I think it's very cheap because it's non-tearable and reusable. Instead of taking A4 sheets of paper and you're gonna write there and you're gonna throw the paper somewhere else, and during the exams you're gonna search where is my paper and all. Instead of that, you can use this to write over the things, and if you don't want, you can erase it off. And as I said before, you'll get 10 sheets of paper with 20 pages. And the pages is thick enough, and the quality is so good. And if you want to buy this, I'll share the link in the description. You can go there and you can buy that.
Friends, I'm gonna give a quick demo now. Starting of 2 pages, you can see a bullet journal where you can make a note of day-to-day activities or activities which is left over at starting pages. Or best thing which I like this, you can use a sticky notes. As I said before, you will get a 2 tip, that is bold one, and another one is fine tip. I'm just writing as things to do daily, and what are things I'll do daily. I'll make things in my sticky notes, and I'm gonna paste all those in my book. And what are things which I completed, I'm gonna tick it off, and the remaining things are left over. And I'm just giving a demo in this sheet of paper. For the added purpose, I'll just dip a little bit of water and I'm gonna rub it off. You can see how keenly it's erasing. It's very simple. I will not get any kind of marks over the sheet of paper.
And that's all for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.